move a little bit. Quarter turn to the left. I hold it a little bit of an angle. You can already see the profile of that pair of pliers. Okay, a different variety of tongs here.
Okay.
Each one of them has a different purpose. And these are all tongs that I've built over the years. You know, some of them are a little more cruder than others, but you know, this is an old original set. And
Tell him where it come from.
well, the person I got it from told me that it came out of Cold Fort before the church took it over. And this piece of wood, well, you can see the wood looks like it's original. And the piping here looks like it was forged welded together. You know, where they roll it around and actually weld it together. And when I took it apart to change all this leather and stuff, they have little square nails in it. I built this stand and I used square mortises and tenons in it, so all I got to do is, you know, I put the top on it, square peg, and try to keep it good. This is called coke. It's metallurgical coke. This is made in a factory that makes coke. And this here is a coking coal. So I'm kind of burning them both together, and I'll have to scoot this in every once in a while. It makes a big old flame and lots of black smoke until it gets coked up.